Hey guys, I'm John Pershurin, and this is the Affiliate Marketing Cookbook. Now, today I'm going to explain to you what is affiliate marketing. So, by definition, affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate, you, gets paid a percentage of commissions from selling somebody else's product or service. So, you choose a product or service in one of three categories. Usually it's like health, wealth, or relationships. Those are the three big ones. Something that you use personally and enjoy and get results with. It's a lot easier to promote a product that you are using and getting results with than something you're not. And not to mention, it's a little more ethical. So you promote the product, you sell, make a sale, the sale's tracked, and you get paid. So sales are tracked by an affiliate link that is unique to each affiliate from their blog or website or social media post, whatever, back to the company that produces the product or service. And that's how you get paid. So you find a product, you promote the product, make a sale, sales tracked, and you get paid. Rinse and repeat. So why should you become an affiliate marketer? So there are 5 reasons. Number 1 is passive income. Number 2, there's no customer service, no customer support. Number 3, it's cost effective. There's no startup cost. Number 4, it's convenient and flexible. You make your own hours. And number 5, it's performance based. So that means that the more you work, the more you do, the more you get paid. I'm an affiliate for ClickFunnels. They have, in my opinion, the best affiliate program. They also have the best affiliate trainings. So I'm going to leave a couple links in the description for you so you can get started down there. And I'm also going to leave a link to my Facebook group, the Affiliate Marketing Cookbook, for some further training and free group coaching. And I'm going to give you a link to my free one-pager, 7 steps to skyrocket your sales for free as my gift to you. And like and subscribe, like my videos, subscribe my channel. I'd love to see you guys. We'll see you later.